excited about the future. Inspired by the things to come, it just keeps growing.
I've, had experiences that, I never would have dreamed of having.
What makes the environment of PCAD so unique is that there's just this energy and this passion and this feeling of creativity and engagement that permeates all of the classes that we teach here.
What makes a PCAD education special is a combination of many things. It starts in the classroom, that initial, thinking and concepts, and then the craft, but then the students finding their voice.
Our students don't look like any one thing, but what really makes them different is this burning that's inside them that pushes them forward, that tells them that they have a story to tell, they have a story to share, and there's no other way about it. They have to move toward that.
It makes you want to try things. It makes you want to learn and do things.
My professors are awesome. The way that we communicate, it's so natural.
I feel like the soul of PCAD is its openness to new ideas.
I want to just make art.
What's most important to me is to make art accessible to other people.
I would really like to just make things that inspire other people to make art.
In my future, I want to make a difference, whether it's working with poor communities and creating murals to inspire others, or to just work with small businesses building themselves.
What lies ahead for PCAD is really what we want to make it.
It's like a little seed that's been planted and it's ready to grow and flower and become something amazing.